This summer, I'm transforming my small apartment balcony into my seasonal art studio. After spending the winter painting in a corner of my kitchen, I'm now moving to a space more open to light and nature. Stay with me to see full transformation from beginning to end. If you are new here, I'm Fifi, an abstract painter, and here I share my painting process and the way I think through color and layers. Living in California in a small apartment means the space is always limited. I know a lot of artists feel the same way, like there's never really room for a proper studio. And honestly, I understand that feeling. Sometimes creativity just has to fit into whatever small corner we can find. For me, during winter, that was part of the kitchen. But now that summer is here, I wanted to turn this small balcony into something that really supports my art practice. I think a lot of artists around the world are doing the same thing, creating in whatever space they can make their own. Not everyone has a dedicated studio, and I really don't think that should stop us from making art. Sometimes the most unexpected space becomes the most beautiful studio. Here I'm adding these soft white curtains to the balcony. The California summer sun can get really strong, especially in the afternoon. So I wanted something that creates shade and softens the light while I'm painting. They instantly make the space feel calmer, almost like a real studio. They filter the sunlight and make everything more comfortable for painting and filming. Yes, I'm going to film my artwork here from now on, at least till summer ends. And even though it can be a little noisy at times, I hear birds for most of the day. That sound alone changes the whole atmosphere of painting. One of the challenges with this summer studio is the outside noise. The birds are nice, but there's also some apartment noise that can affect the audio. So I'll be filming the painting here and then add the voiceover later if I need to. I really wanted this small space to stay functional, so I tucked my paints and mediums into these small drawers. Now I'm placing my easel and organizing my painting supplies, brushes, paints, and tools, so everything is easy to reach while I work. I'm also setting up my light for when it starts getting dark while I'm painting. And this is my iPad tripod stand. I'll be using it to film my process and create videos from here. I don't just want a painting space, I want a creative studio that also supports my content creation. Now I'm bringing some plants. I wanted the space to feel alive and connected to the greenery that's already outside. Adding these plants makes the balcony feel even more peaceful and personal. Even in a small apartment balcony, every item needs to have a purpose. Now, here comes the fun part. I'm hanging some of my paintings around the space. The moment the paintings go up, the balcony stops feeling like just an outdoor apartment space. It starts feeling like a true artist's studio. In this painting, I was just playing around with colors and experimenting with different techniques, just enjoying the process, mixing colors and mediums. I'm sure it's gonna turn into something else soon. Stay with me, I'll share how it changes in the upcoming videos. Subscribe to follow along. If you'd like to support my channel, you can subscribe. My goal is to become a full-time artist so I can spend more time painting. I really appreciate any support, subscribing, liking, or sharing. And feel free to leave a comment if you have questions. I'm happy to answer. Here I'm bringing in this oversized canvas and adjusting the easel to fit it. This one's been sitting here for a while. So I'm finally getting back to it. Here's a close-up look. It really has a lot going on, but I know it's going to change a lot more. I'll share the progress in some videos later. Guess how many layers I put in this painting? Even I don't know, but it's a lot. This small corner is gonna be for my smaller pieces on canvas and paper. Just a simple setup where I can sit and work on quick ideas and experiments. Sometimes I like switching to smaller formats. It feels more relaxed and a bit more free. I can just play with colors without overthinking too much. So this is my painting space right now. It's simple, just natural light, my art supplies, and the paintings I'm working on. It's a little spot, but it makes it easy to just focus and enjoy the process. Okay, I think this is it. My little summer studio is now ready. I'll be painting here a lot, and I'll share what I paint along the way. I can't wait to start. See you in the next video. I hope this inspires you to see your space a bit differently. Sometimes the most overlooked corners can become the best places to create. If you'd like to support my channel, you can subscribe. My goal is to become a full-time artist so I can spend more time painting. I really appreciate any support, subscribing, liking, or sharing. And feel free to leave a comment if you have questions. I'm happy to answer.